Oi, gente! Do you want to say with me? It's oi, oi, gente. Oi, gente.
Okay, wait. Say it again.
She.
Yes.
Yes.
Oi, oi, gente.
Yes. You can feel like chi, like
I feel like C.
yeah. Oi, oi, gente! Ah, so cute! Oh my gosh! Então, hoje eu tô aqui com a Bella. We have school together and we have church together. And yeah, we're friends. Ela tá aqui em casa porque a gente vai ter tipo uma festa na piscina aqui em casa e tal. E aí ela aproveitou e a gente vai provar doces brasileiros.
I'm so scared.
Okay, so we have paçoca. It's from... é de outra marca, mas é paçoca. Temos pé de moça. Temos um tipo de doce de leite. Parece um pouco de rapadura também, mas é doce de leite. Yeah. Paçoquita de bala, que eu comia muito isso quando eu era pequena. This is balinha de iogurte. Fine de dentadura. And pipoca bocos. Let's start it. E doce de banana. Okay, I don't think you're gonna like this, but that's the fun part. Okay, we're gonna start with paçoca, because it's like the closest. I think it's like not butter, like peanut butter. Yeah, and it's really good.
Whoa!
So just like you can eat it in pieces or just like put it. Oh yeah,
That's so good.
do you like it? That's good. That's one of my favorite things, and she loved it. Yay! 1 point for paçoca. There you
She
go.
do the little tiny sound like right here.
We have this one that it's called like yogurt candy.
Yogurt 100.
That I never saw any like candy or anything like that in the US. I used to eat that all the time in my childhood. You open it like this, and then have like
Oh, another wrapping?
yeah.
Whoa.
You're just like whoa.
Did I eat it like in one piece?
Yeah.
Oh, it's harder than I thought. It's hard.
This one is from, actually it doesn't have like in all the places in Brazil. This is more like in the Northeast. They have like, I don't know, have this.
Scary.
This is a type of popcorn.
Oh no, I'm so scared.
Okay, go ahead.
It looks scary. It looks like a mushroom type
It's
thing.
not actual popcorn, but like they say that it's a popcorn.
I don't know what it tastes like. I like the other two better, but like this isn't bad. You know?
It's like probably the texture is weird
It is
for
weird.
Americans. Yeah. This one, it's one of the most famous candies in Brazil.
Are they teeth?
Yeah, they're like, I don't know. Yeah, they're.
I'm so scared.
We play with that, doing like, yeah, we actually like. I used to do that with. Did you like it?
Those are really good. I like these more than I like the yogurt ones. They're nice and sweet, and they have a good texture to them. Like it reminds me of gummy worms, but like not gummy worms quite. You know?
They are kind of gummy. Next one is
Gulp, gulp, gulp.
banana candy.
Uh-oh.
I don't think you're
Sounds
gonna
weird.
like it.
I'm scared.
I knew you wouldn't like it. It's fine, just leave it there.
It's so bad.
So like, we love
It's
that.
in my teeth. I can still taste it.
It's kind of doce de leite with
Dulce de leche. I know what
with Did you like it?
Ew.
But this one of the like homemade ones are my favorite. It's called pé de moça. That means girl's feet.
What?
Yeah.
Do they have like a fetish or something? They have a fetish for feet, for girls' feet? What's their
I have guys' feet too. Like,
what?
yeah,
So is it supposed to be sweet or salty?
sweet.
Okay.
Uma hora depois.
It kind of tastes like peanut butter, but like not peanut butter. And I like the texture. Like it's nice and soft, but still kind of crunchy. This is it.
Uh-huh.
This is girls' feet. So overall, my favorite thing was the first one.
Paçoca.
Oh, that's so good. The order goes this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then the devil's food.
The devil's food.
Yes, Satan made that. He was like, oh, I'm making my little bakery, you know?
Então, gente, foi isso. A Bela gostou de 4, assim, 4 favoritos dela. E foi muito divertida essa experiência. Esse foi o favorito dela, que é a paçoca. Bye, guys!
Put that in the bloopers.
I don't know how to eat.
I was never taught.